Hello, my name is Sunil Indora. Today we will discuss this subject ME 208 Chapter 1 Simple Numerical Problems. I am working as lecturer mechanical at SGV Government Polytechnic College, Bharatpur. Based on this law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. According to first law of thermodynamics, energy can be converted into from one form into another form. Work can be converted in the heat and vice versa, heat can be converted into work. Therefore, the total energy remains constant and it is called law of conservation of energy. So first we will see what is the work. We know work is equal to force multiplied by displacement in the direction of force, where force can be described as pressure multiplied by area on which the pressure is acting. When system moves from one position x1 to another position x2, we can calculate the work as force multiplied by displacement x2 minus x1. And here F force is equal to pressure multiplied by area. So now the work is equal to pressure multiplied by area multiplied by displacement x2 minus x1. Here the area multiplied by displacement is equal to volume. So this equation we can write in the form of W pressure multiplied by final volume minus initial volume, or simply W equal to P into dV. In this way, we can calculate the total work of the system by integrating P dV from initial volume V1 to final volume V2. How this will work, now we will see in this numerical problem. Here a gas is compressed from initial volume of 0.3 meter cube to final volume of 0.15 cubic meter at a constant pressure of 0.105 megapascal. The transfer of heat from the gas is 37.6 kilojoule. So now we have to estimate the change in internal energy of the gas. यहाँ पर इनिशियल वॉल्यूम V1 से फाइनल वॉल्यूम V2 तक एक गैस को कांस्टेंट प्रेशर पे हम कंप्रेस कर रहे हैं और हीट जो गैस से ट्रांसफर हो रही है वो 37.6 किलो जूल है. तो अब हमें इंटरनल एनर्जी जो गैस की चेंज होती है उसको हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. सो वी नो फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स दैट Q heat is equal to work done plus change in internal energy delta U. From state 1 to 2, we can write this equation Q12 equal to work from 1 to 2 plus internal energy from 2 to 1. Here to find the work, we will use this equation. Work is equal to integral from V1 to V2 P dV, or W is equal to P V2 minus V1 that we have derived in earlier slides. Here the pressure is given as 0.105 into 10 to the power 3 Pascal. Volume is given 0.3, initial volume is given 0.3 meter cube, final volume is given 0.15 meter cube. Therefore the work done from state 1 to state 2 is equal to pressure 1.105 10 to the power 3 multiplied by change in displacement, change in volume 0.15 to 0.30. By solving this equation, we get the value of work from state 1 to 2 as minus 15.75 kilojoule. Here the symbol minus is used as this is the work is being done on the gas. We are compressing the gas and Therefore, we are doing work on the gas, not we are getting work from the system. Therefore, here it comes negative. Now, heat given is given heat in the system from 1 to 2 is given as minus 37.6 kilojoule. It is given in our problem. So by substituting the value of work 1 to 2 and heat 1 to 2 in equation 1, which is the first law of thermodynamics, we get Q minus 37.6 equal to work minus 15.75 plus delta U, U2 minus U1. So by solving this equation, we get change in internal energy U2 minus U1 equal to minus 21.85 kilojoule. Therefore, in this process, the internal energy of system changes is equal to minus 21.85 kilojoule. This is an example of numerical problem based on first law of thermodynamics, where Q is given, work we have calculated using the initial and final volume and pressure of the system, and using this heat given and work, we have estimated the change in internal energy of the system. This equation can be used for other calculation also. If the change in internal energy is given, then we can estimate the work done on the system or by the system. Or if change in internal energy and work is given, then we can estimate the heat given to the system or heat out of the system. Thanks.